In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get started with Hoopla, which lets you borrow thousands of ebooks, audiobooks, movies, and more. I'm going to be using the web browser for this, but you can download the app on your smartphone or tablet, and the process is pretty much going to be the same. So we first need to make an account, so click on Get Started Today and enter your email address and password. Once you have that entered, click Agree. So the next thing we need to do is find our library, and it looks like we're the first one on the list. So if you click on Anacortes Public Library, scroll down and hit Next. The last thing you need to do is enter your library card information. And that's it really. You're now signed up with Hoopla. As far as the interface goes, there's a few things to take note of. The My Hoopla section up at the top left will give you access to the items you have currently borrowed, and you can look at the history of the items you've borrowed. You can use Browse to look at each separate category. There's a lot to choose from. Or you can use the search bar and filter through some options too if you prefer. Lastly is the settings menu. If you click the gear icon in the top right, you'll have access to your account information. If you want to change anything or mess with some of your settings, you can do that here. And just to show you, let's take a look at movies and show you what the interface looks like. So once you find a title you'd like to borrow and click on it, it's just as simple as hitting the borrow button. You can watch movies for 3 days. Books and other titles are usually longer than that. And the item is now borrowed. To watch it, all you got to do is click the play button, and it'll load up for you. Items will be returned automatically on their due date, but if you'd like to return it early, go up to My Hoopla, Currently Borrowed, and on each specific item, you can click the Return Now button to return it early. I hope this video has helped you out, and if you do have any more questions, you can give us a call or email us, and we can get you going down the right path.